Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the Moody fall filter on Lightroom Mobile. Here are the sample images before and after edits. Let's have a look. So, let's begin. First, choose the image to edit. OK, next, go to Lights. Set the exposure to plus 0.40. Contrast plus 20. Highlights to minus 40. Shadows to plus 80. Whites to minus 50. Blacks to minus 10. Now, we can go to the curve. Adjust the curve as same as I did. Now, go to Colors. Temperature to plus 10. Vibrance to minus 10. Saturation to minus 20. Now, go to Color Mix. For orange, saturation to plus 20, and luminance also to plus 20. For yellow, hue to minus 50, saturation to minus 20, and luminance to minus 20. For green, hue to minus 80, saturation to minus 20 and luminance to minus 20. For dark blue, saturation to minus 40 and luminance to minus 20. For sky blue, saturation to minus 40 and luminance to minus 20. And next, go to Effects. Set the clarity to plus 15. Haze to plus 20. Vignette minus 20. Midpoint to 30. Vivid plus 100. Brightness to plus 100. Now, go to color split. Set the highlights at hue to 26 and saturation to 12. And shadows at hue to 18 and saturation to 7. Next, go to details. Noise reduction to plus 20. And that's it. Now we can save this as a preset, so that we can apply the same edits on any photo, just by one click. Let's apply the created preset on other photos. That's about the video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for getting notified.